A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move, the Trump administration has proposed a new rule that seeks to limit the duration of stay for international students in the United States to a maximum of 4 years. This decision, announced by the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, aims to address what officials describe as visa abuse and to enhance the government's ability to monitor and manage foreign visa holders. The proposed rule is set to be published in the Federal Register, initiating a period for public comment before it can potentially take effect. The DHS spokesperson stated that foreign students have been taking advantage of U.S. generosity by extending their studies indefinitely, thus becoming forever students. This has raised concerns among officials regarding safety risks and financial burdens on taxpayers. For too long, past administrations have allowed foreign students and other visa holders to remain in the U.S. virtually indefinitely, the spokesperson remarked, emphasizing the need for a system that ensures proper oversight of foreign nationals. Under the new proposal, international students would be allowed to stay in the U.S. only for the duration of their academic program, capped at 4 years. This is a notable change from the current policy, which allows students to remain in the country as long as they are enrolled as full-time students. The rule would also apply to foreign exchange visitors, who would face similar restrictions. In addition to the changes for students, the proposed rule would also affect foreign journalists, limiting their initial admission period to 240 days, with the possibility of extending their stay by another 240 days. This marks a shift from the previous practice of granting visas for the duration of a journalist's assignment. Critics of the proposed rule argue that it may deter international students from choosing the U.S. as their study destination, potentially impacting the financial health of American colleges and universities. Fanta Ah, executive director of NAFSA, Association of International Educators, expressed concerns that the rule could lead to a decline in international enrollment, which would have adverse effects on the U.S. economy and its global competitiveness. International students typically contribute significantly to the U.S. economy, paying higher tuition rates and often receiving fewer financial aid opportunities. According to data from the Commerce Department, foreign students contributed over $50 billion to the U.S. economy in 2023 alone. The proposed changes come at a time when universities are already experiencing lower enrollments of international students, following previous immigration policies enacted by the Trump administration. Miriam Feldblum, president and CEO of the President's Alliance on Higher Education and Immigration, criticized the proposed rule as an unnecessary bureaucratic hurdle that infringes upon academic decision-making. She warned that such measures send a negative message to talented individuals from around the world, suggesting that their contributions are undervalued in the U.S. This is detrimental not only to international students, but also to the ability of U.S. colleges and universities to attract top talent, Feldblum stated. As the academic year begins, many institutions are grappling with the implications of these proposed changes. With the U.S. welcoming over 1.1 million international students in the 2023-24 academic year, the potential for reduced enrollment raises questions about the future of higher education in the country and the broader impact on innovation and job creation. The proposed rule has sparked a debate on the balance between national security and the benefits of international education. Supporters of the rule argue that it is necessary to ensure that the immigration system is not exploited, while opponents highlight the economic and cultural contributions of international students to American society. As the public comment period opens, stakeholders from various sectors, including education, business, and immigration advocacy, are expected to voice their opinions on the proposed changes. The outcome of this rule could shape the landscape of international education in the United States for years to come, influencing not only the lives of countless students, but also the future of American higher education and its role in the global economy. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.